So go ahead and get yourselves comfortable. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and hold it. And let it go. Another deep breath in and hold it. And let it go. A third deep breath in and hold it. And let it go. Now just breathing comfortably with your eyes closed. Breathing comfortably, and just imagine that with each breath you take in, you breathe in relaxation and positive energy. Go ahead and imagine a healing light of whatever color you like surrounding your body, so that with each breath you take in, your lungs comfortably draw in that healing light, allowing it to flow through every muscle, nerve, fiber, tissue, cell, and atom of your body. Imagine a healing shower flowing down, crystal clear water that's a perfect temperature as it flows over the top of your head, soothing and relaxing your scalp, washing away fear, doubt, anxiety, washing away anger, sadness, guilt, shame, resentment, washing away pain, frustration, disappointment, embarrassment. Washing these away to reveal the light that you truly are. This unique expression of divine light and love. Allowing more and more of that light to be revealed as that healing shower flows over your forehead, relaxing the muscles in your face, flowing down over the back of your head, your neck, your shoulders, washing away tension, leaving your shoulders calm, comfortable, and relaxed. Healing shower flowing down your arms, all the way down over your fingertips, down over your chest and your stomach, soothing and relaxing, healing and cleansing. And allowing yourself to remain comfortably in whatever position you choose, allow that healing shower to flow down over your upper and lower back. And as your torso relaxes, your internal organs comfortably do whatever they need to do to achieve and maintain your optimal level of health and well-being in body, mind, and spirit. As that healing shower continues down over your body, down over your hips and your thighs, over your knees, down your lower legs, through your ankles, into your feet. And finally, that relaxation flows over your toes as you allow yourself to relax twice as much, going at least twice as deep with each number as I count backwards. 5, drifting down to 4, floating down to 3, 2, 1, and 0 is deep sleep. Deeper, deeper. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0 is deep sleep. And in that calm, comfortable state of mind and body, go ahead and imagine yourself in some really beautiful place. If you were to imagine that there really was nothing that was too good for you, that you are worthy and deserving of the best this world has to offer, where would you allow yourself to be right now? Just in your mind, allowing yourself to be in this place. Allowing yourself to experience the beauty, the magnificence, the abundance of creation, however you choose to experience that. Whatever that looks like for you. And allow yourself to know you really are worthy and deserving of this. Any doubts about that are based on misunderstandings. So allowing yourself to stand in this place and seeing as much beauty as you like, seeing whatever you choose to see. And noticing your breath. Notice that each time you inhale, the universe says yes. You are worthy and deserving of this oxygen. Here you go. Take a big, deep breath in and hold it. And let it go. and notice that the universe found you worthy and deserving of more. Now, you may have only allowed a little bit more. But as you breathe in, the universe will give you as much as you're willing to receive, giving yourself permission to receive more. And knowing that there's always more where that came from. As you allow yourself to look out and see the abundance, allowing yourself to know that beyond the horizon, there's even more. It's not going to run out. And you are worthy and deserving of receiving. Just allowing yourself to feel peace. Even though you know that there are other people out there suffering, and there may even be challenges in your life that are causing you suffering right now. Allowing yourself to know that there is also beauty and joy. And even if part of you is not ready to feel that yet, just allowing yourself to feel some peace about the fact that it is out there. The more peace you allow yourself to feel, it's a win-win situation. You can't suffer enough to help anyone. So giving yourself permission to let go of what doesn't feel like peace. And allow yourself to look around and see as much beauty and magnificence and abundance as you can. Allowing yourself to feel so good about that you feel the energy and the motivation to do what you can to experience more and more of that in your life. Knowing that it's a win-win situation. The more good you create in your life, the more that benefits others. Allow yourself to feel good about that as we go even deeper now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And 0 is deep sleep. In a moment, I'll count you back out from 0 up to 5. 5 will be wide awake, alert, focused, and energetic, feeling much better than before. Feeling much more confident in yourself, confident in your ability to handle whatever might be going on in your life, confident to create whatever it is you really want, and more confident in the knowledge that you are worthy and deserving of the best this world has to offer. Tonight, when you choose to go to sleep, don't be surprised when you fall asleep quickly, soundly, deeply, and sleep very well through the night. During the night, you'll dream. The more you dream, the stronger you become. I'm going to ask your unconscious mind to allow at least one of your dreams to be a very healing dream. Continuing this healing process in body, mind, and spirit so that in the morning, at the time you've chosen to wake up, you wake up easily, feeling refreshed, energetic, and ready to start the day, again powerfully moving forward into that ever more joyful experience of an ever greater abundance of health, wealth, happiness, and love, which are your birthright and which benefit others. And now go back down to 0, which is always sleep, allowing your mind, body, and spirit to digest all these positive thoughts and images, taking them in at a very deep level so that these positive changes occur easily, effortlessly, and naturally. Coming up to 1, feeling physically relaxed. 2, feeling emotionally calm and confident. 3, health and well-being, enthusiasm, love, joy, and gratitude flowing through every muscle, nerve, fiber, tissue, cell, and atom of your body. 4, becoming more and more alert and aware of your surroundings. And 5 is eyes open, wide awake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, eyes open, wide awake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, eyes open, wide awake, and welcome back.